In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Home Depot account. Whether you're looking to shop online or check your order status, accessing your account is a breeze once you know the steps. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Home Depot's official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.homedepot.com. Once the home page loads, you'll notice a variety of options and categories designed to help you shop for everything from home improvement goods to appliances. But we're interested in navigating to your account, so let's focus on that. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a tab that says Login. Click on this tab. This is going to pull up the login page, which is where we'll proceed to access your Home Depot account. At this point, you'll want to click on Sign In. It's a straightforward option that should be easy to find. This click will take you to the Sign In interface where you'll enter your login details. Before moving ahead, make sure you have your email handy because you'll need it for the next step. On the Sign In page, you will see fields asking for your login credentials. Start by typing your email address into the designated email field. Make sure you double check the spelling of your email to avoid any errors. With just a click on Continue, we're making progress. For additional security, Home Depot offers a code-based verification. After clicking Continue, you'll see an option that says Email me a code to sign in. Selecting this option will ensure that a verification code is sent to your email address. This extra step not only secures your account, but also adds a layer of protection to your personal information. Now go ahead and check your email inbox for the code. Once you've got it, return to the Home Depot login page and enter the code into the field provided. Typically, this code is a temporary one, so if it's been a few minutes, you may need to request a new code for security purposes. After entering your code correctly, it's time to click on Verify. This action will authenticate your attempt to access your account. Once your identity is verified, you'll advance to the next screen. Finally, complete the process by clicking on Continue. This will direct you into your Home Depot account, where you can start shopping, track orders, manage settings, and much more. And there you have it. Now you've successfully logged into your Home Depot account. Next time you need to access your account, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!